Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So you're watching for a close below this 425 area, trigger a sell. Just showing you on a daily first here on the 4-hour, big huge move down. When you see something like this, you can always drop, especially a big drop like this, opening bar, 1-hour chart. You can always come back. This is just something, it works for either buys or sells. We'll go down in a time frame, like to a 1-hour chart, and watch for a retracement to another key area. So a retracement in this case to, there's right here, there's prior key area, this 422 area. We've talked about it on videos. We got near it with the declining rotation zone on the 1-hour, and that could trigger if you're looking for a short and entry. You can do the reverse thing for a long. This is just something to demonstrate a principle, not telling you to take a short trade or saying we took a short trade on this. We're still against the rotation, and what we were watching this for was especially for taking profits on this run up. Put on some GAN levels, definitely out of overbought condition, not yet oversold. I also put the GAN projections down here. So if we get below this 409.26 was the low today, next major area is 406. So that's the 12.5% GAN projection from the most recent high to this 4-hour swing low, because we got a pausing bar in here. And that gives us a 406 with the bottom of the rotation zone coming up. So I'd really watch that level if we got through there. Then 402.75, if we got below that. We're zooming out to the daily chart. So daily chart, we'd be watching this 394.73. We still have a gap in here, so that's still a magnet to the downside. So we'd be watching really that 394.73 area. And then if we continue bigger sell-off, 385.50, which is the bottom of the rotation zone on the daily, and just in front of the 50% GAN level and to this prior swing high level. Or sorry, this level that we used to do the pausing bar. I'm going to move this up since we've gotten a nice big retracement out of the way. Just going to shift up some of these other levels for the next, so we'll watch. These levels are important if we make a rotation back up. So if you did rotate up again and had a strong day tomorrow, 435, the most recent high, would be the first level, and then 448.84. So we've gone through all the support and the retracement levels, definitely out of overbought on the daily, but not even below the 50% level. So this still has room to run. Really watch what happens if we get through the bottom of that rotation zone on the 4-hour. So if we get through there, then we'll start watching for the bigger pullback on the daily, somewhere below, especially if we get below the 8 EMA on the daily, which is about 413.50. And if we get a close below that tomorrow, then watch for the bigger pullback into rotation zone. So what we have for you on Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.